Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Let's see what is in the news. 20th July is observed as the International Moon Day and World Chess Day. 1986 batch Indian Audit and Account Service Officer Mr. Jayanti Prasad has been appointed as the whole-time member of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India was established on 1st of October 2016. It was responsible for implementation of the code that consolidates and amends the law relating to recognition and insolvency resolution of corporate person, partnership firms and individuals. The government has set up 29-member panel on minimum support price that will be headed by the former Agriculture Secretary Sanjay Agrawal and has representation from Niti Aayog. This aims to making the MSP system more effective and transparent and suggesting important measures for natural farming and crop diversification. The MSP is for a crop is the price at which government is supposed to procure or buy that crop from farmers if the market price falls below during each crop session. There are certain challenges related with the MSP. One is the current MSP system has no relation to price in the domestic market. MSP is highly tilted towards paddy and wheat, which results in overproduction of these crops, and benefits are limited to only 2.2% of farmers. Cases of Kala Azar have been reported from Bihar. Kala Azar, that is African swine fever, ASF, also known as black fever or visceral leishmaniasis, is a protozoan parasite disease spread by sandfly bites. In India, it was first reported in 2019. ASF is a highly contagious and deadly viral disease affecting pigs and wild boar with up to 100% case fatality rate. ASF is not a threat to human health and cannot be transmitted from pigs to human. Currently, there is no effective vaccine against ASF. National Standards for Civil Services Training Institution set Capacity Building Commission CBC headquarters. NSC-STI aimed at elevating the quality and capacity of central training institutes by creating a baseline for their current capacity. For elevating their quality and capacity of training, delivery and to harmonize standards for training, it will also set aspiration for training institution to strive toward excellence. A web portal and approach paper for the national standard has also inaugurated. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examinations. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video and do not forget to hit like button, comment your valuable feedbacks and also press the subscribe buttons to never miss any updates. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you. See you tomorrow.